I'm just going to read out an email here, Yvonne, and
Sure.
if you could comment on this. So this is an email from GWBI. See if this will work. Let's pretend that the lay people are buying first for better negotiation and then transfer to GWBI later before closing. Sorry for the late response. This is another email. Thank you for giving us a quote for your beautiful home. I understand it is not easy for you to come up with such a decision since you have been in the house for so many years and must have so much memory in it. At this time, the Iraq investigation about our land holding is not over yet. However, some of our lay people might be interested in purchasing your house. But due to the investigation, we are advised by our lawyer not to be involved with lay people's purchasing activities. I'm just wondering if you can comment on that.
I think that's a few years ago, we communicated, we had a local consultant who helped us out through all this process. And then, can you repeat the first few sentences again about the transferring?
It said, see if this will work. Let's pretend that the lay people are buying first for better negotiation and then transfer to GWBI later before closing.
Did it say what property it was?
I don't have the property. I do have a name, but I don't want to say the name on just for privacy purposes.
Then pretend the laity will buy it and transfer it to GWBI.
Yeah, that's what the email says. Yeah.
I'm just trying to recall the memories. Is it from GWBI email?
Yes, I believe from Janet.
Janet.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I have more information on that so I can go back
Yeah,
and check?
this is, it'd be a couple of years ago, but I have the email here.